Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to move back directly to the first option without tapping back button multiple times in iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So here just open any application, whichever application you want to use. So here say, just to give you an example, I'm opening the settings. So this page is the first option. So let me go to the multiple different pages. Just say, let me click on this battery and let me click on this battery health and charging. So I have moved to the different pages, right? So now most probably what we used to do in order to move back to the first option, we used to tap the back button on the left top corner. So we are not going to do this. So in order to move directly to the first option without tapping back button multiple times, what you need to do is just tap and hold this back button. So now you can see here I have two options, battery and settings. So if I want to move back to the first option, that is the settings is the first option. So just select the settings and just release your finger. Now you can see we have directly moved back to the first option without needing to keep tapping the back button multiple times. So by using this method, you can easily move back directly to the first option without tapping back button multiple times in iPhone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.